What's that?
Hey, Calvin, look at your motorcycle really quick.
Absolutely. Hey guys, I just came to run a quick little errand, and I'm riding the Beamer today, and these kids they like to see some. What's that?
Is that a GoPro? We just got one yesterday for our crew.
Awesome. Anyway, long story made short, these kids have wanted to see pictures and stuff of the bikes that I build or have built, and there's a nice Evo coming down the street too. Oh my gosh, tuner heaven. Long story made short. Can you see it, bud? Do you want me to start it for you?
Can we hear it?
Sure.
Is it a GoPro?
It's a GoPro, yeah. This one's a quiet one. It's not very loud. I should have brought the cool motorcycle. Maybe one of these days I'll bring that one, okay? Okay. Anyway, we'll see you guys. Thanks, we'll see ya. Anyway, you guys, sorry, that was not planned. I had a little something I had to do, and decided to ride the truck. And you know, there's some funny stuff. GNCC 1 race, I think. YouTube name. Dude is freaking hilarious, man. I love it. He's come up with like 15 names for this bike already, and I've actually started to have one of the names grow on me a little bit. I'm gonna pull over here a little bit so you guys do a quick little walk around. But as I mentioned, I wanted to get out and ride on a little bit so you guys could hear it, see what it's like. And I'm gonna go drop off some paperwork. But before I do that, I'm gonna come just pull off the road here for a second and do just a quick little dealio. Okay. Now, just for a moment, take a look at those beautiful Utah mountains. This spring is beautiful because they probably look like they're 9 years away from here, 9 light years. Snow-capped peaks, warming up here in the valley. Beautiful BMW GS 1150 Adventure. Rebuilt transmission. R model 6 gear, all new bearings, new seals everywhere. New clutch. Spacer mod, new spark plugs, valve adjust, new coil on the left side, throttle body sync, paint job, everything checked, double check, triple check. I've got HID lights, headlights. That's a low beam. I got my new high beam. Where is that? And I'm telling you, that baby lights up the sky at night. Pretty awesome. But the main thing about this bike is it's just so utilitarian, it's not even funny. Let's go through some gears, shall we? Close my face shield here a little bit so you can hear me. Little 4th gear indicator down there. Oh, it's 35 and I'm going 65. Not good. Let's wait till we get out on the old Bacchus Highway here and I can't decide which way to go. I've got to go north, folks. I don't know if you'll be able to hear this at all, but I'm going to try to get it to where you can hear the exhaust a little bit. It's what's it like to ride this bike? It's hard to describe. It's a little on the top heavy side. You wouldn't think that with a boxer engine that's down low, but this fuel tank is absolutely massive. As you can see, I've got a full tank right now. You know what? Bull crap, I'm going this way. You guys ever watch the show Long Way Around? It's appropriate for my discussion right now. I'm taking the long way to the office, to one of the office. So let's click 3, 4th gear. Go about 70 at 5,000 RPM. Now we're in 5th gear. Check that overdrive. You guys can see the dash here. Let's go up a little bit faster. We're going 80 miles an hour now, and it's at 3750 RPM. And I mean, it can just sail like this all day long. Super stable bike, very heavy. But I mean, it's just nice. You can roll along like this all day long. It's very, very smooth. I've got this Givi windscreen that protects some, but I'm sorry about the wind noise. I didn't place my mic very good today. But I mean, this bike is a great touring bike. I can understand the appeal because you don't have a chain to dink around with. You don't have, you know, you've got this drive shaft, and that's really nice. Very comfortable. The sitting position is comfortable for me. And I like the Danmoto exhaust, mostly because it uncorked things a little bit. It's a lot lighter. The bike is more torquey. In other words, it's not a high revving machine. It's very nice for just tooling around, freeway. See, there's 6th gear. No weird sounds, no vibrations, just smooth as butter. Again, I'm sorry about the wind, and I don't know, it might be looking kind of dark out here now, but it's probably getting close to 8 o'clock at night. And it's just a nice night for a ride. Now, soon, or later, I'm guessing sooner rather than later, I'm going to be trying to put this bike to the test a little bit. When I say test, I'm not referring to off-road test. I really don't want to ride this thing off-road. It's not that I can't, it's just the risk of breaking stuff and having to repair and replace isn't worth it. So I might have to do something else. Maybe it will be a test of endurance for me. We shall see. 3 more weeks until the house is done, folks. I'm pushing hard. Got to get this thing done so I can get other projects done. Anyway, hope you enjoy riding along on the Beamer. And next time I'll take a little more time to put my mic in the right place. This footage may not even be usable. Anyway, peace out, y'all. I'm going to roll with some music and go for a little ride. Much love, the back to gone.